my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and a very good morning to all of you. Today, as we gather here on the occasion of Independence Day, I feel honored to speak on the topic, what freedom means to me. That's the topic. August 15, 1947, a day when the country was liberated from the clutches of Britishers. The freedom fighters dreamed of a free India, and they didn't just dream, but they fought and suffered to make their dream a reality. Let me begin with a question. Have you ever imagined living in a land where you cannot speak your mind and your thoughts are controlled and your actions are decided by someone else? That's what life was like before 1947. But today, thanks to the sacrifices of countless brave souls, we live in a country where we can breathe freely, express ourselves and follow our dreams. To me, freedom means much more than being free from foreign rule. It means the ability to express my thoughts, to choose my career and to live with dignity. Freedom means living without fear. Freedom means living without fear of violence and of silence. Freedom means education for all, because the knowledge is the path to real empowerment. But friends, let's be honest. Even after 78 years of independence, can we say we are completely free from all chains? Sadly, we still face many challenges, and these are the modern forms of slavery that limit the progress. Even today, millions of Indians sleep hungry. Young people with degrees struggle to find jobs. We need skill-based education, support for small businesses, and honest leadership that focuses on job creation and rural development. As youth, we must focus on learning skills that can create value in the real world. Corruption eats away at our progress from the lowest level to the top. We need transparency, strong laws, and most importantly, honest citizens. If each one of us says, I will not take or give bribes, the system will start to change. Our air is polluted, rivers are dirty, and forests are vanishing. We must adopt eco-friendly habits like planting trees, saving water, saying no to plastic, and protecting our natural resources. Remember, a truly free nation is one where future generations can breathe clean air. People break traffic rules and ignore their civic duties. Remember, true freedom comes with discipline. So let's become aware, responsible Indians who care for spaces as if they are our own homes. As a student, I pledge to study with dedication, speak with kindness, serve my country, and stand for truth.